Yeah, 17's little graphing tool is a little hairy. It's kind of useful, but you have to kind of know, like any tool, you have to know how to use it. So for this particular problem, I turned the function around because for whatever, I'm going to choose completing the square. If you use completing the square to get vertex form of this, I'd take out that negative by the x squared, and if you factor it out of, remember you group the x's together, if I factor out of both x's, this is what I get there in parentheses. And then half that middle term, 6, you square it and add it, so that's where the 36 comes from, next to 12x. But on the outside there, of course, I have to get rid of that 36 piece. Now, it looks funny, like I added 36. You might think it's an error. But don't forget, we have that negative out front, so we're actually subtracting 36, so I had to add back 36 on the outside there that you're seeing here. And then, of course, factored form. Once you know that middle term is 6, then this whole thing factors out to, or can be rewritten as an x plus 6 quantity squared, and in there you can find the vertex of negative 6, 76. That's one helpful point. And then the other helpful point you'd want to get is a y-intercept, and I'll show you how this comes in handy. So if I put 0 in to this for x, I get a y-intercept of 40. Those are 2 points I can graph really easily. And then that one of the graphing tools in it's not showing up here in my iPad version of it, but there's this little tool you see down at the bottom here. I've got this little upside down parabola with a point at the vertex and a point on the side. Click on that tool and then go on top of the grid. You can click on a place where the vertex goes and another point. Use the vertex that I just showed you here, and then the y-intercept is a really good easy point to get. And it should line up okay. And then you hit submit, and let me know how it goes. If it doesn't work, just let me know. Come in tomorrow. We'll work something out. So keep me posted, but that should help.